Isa ang namatay. But there were other neophytes who were there in the scene also. They have not been identified. Again, kung may nasaktan, kung may napadel, kung lahat yan contrary to the anti-hazing law. Okay, hindi lang yung namatay pati yung nasaktan, nasugatan, napadel, nabugbog, kasama yan sa anti-hazing law. Ito yung mga pangalan ng primary suspect under investigation, and we want them to surrender as soon as possible. John Person Cabrera. Number 2, Archie Rosal. Number 3, Felix Martin Dala. Number 4, John Ray Torrecampo. Number 5, John Lee Tuliao. Number 6, John Vincent Malipot. Number 7, Neil Nicolas Rapatan. Number 8, John Michael Hagonoy. Number 9, Mark Kenneth Gonzaga Alcedo, neophyte. Number 10, Tar Sabilona. Number 11, Zidane Manglanlan. Number 12, nalagyan dito alias Mark. Number 13, Gabriel Vergara. Number 14, Kurt De La Cruz. Number 15, alias Kenneth Ompod o alias Pinral. Number 16, Jedrick Solomon Bornea, neophyte. Number 17, Jose Marce Garcia, neophyte. Okay, we urge them to turn themselves over as soon as possible. We urge Tau Gamma Phi fraternity to help us